Hey, it's Cherie coming to you with the AutoBuilder, and I just ran into a great friend of mine, Gray Frederick, with Advanced Fuel Dynamics, right?
Great.
All right, I'm just learning a lot from him. So, checking out your new product.
Yeah, I happen to have it in my hand.
It's called the eSense.
It's called the eSense Flex Fuel Sensor.
All right, you were telling me about it, but tell the folks what this does.
Okay, so this senses the level of ethanol in your fuel, so it can tell gasoline from ethanol. The industry standard for years has been the Continental sensor, which is an OE part.
Okay.
It's got very, very low flow rates, so it's got very small fittings. So if you're running big power and flex fuel, you have to run a bypass line, or you restrict your fuel flow, which is terrible. It can cause your engine to get damaged.
Okay, so the old fitting was like a 3/8 inch.
Yeah, tiny thing.
So that's why you're running the bypass. What is this?
This is up to dash 12.
Dash 12,
so up
okay.
to 16 times the flow rate of the original Continental sensor.
Okay, so what if you're trying to integrate it with other fittings?
Well, the neat thing about this is we've designed it with modular fittings. So you can take these off and put on dash 6, 8, 10, 12, or you can get quick connects like the Continental sensor has.
Okay.
And they'll connect to any of the OE fuel lines.
That's very cool. Okay, so adapts to just about any application.
Yeah, anything. Great
now,
for plumbing.
How about the pigtail?
Oh, well, if you already have a Continental sensor in the car and it goes bad, or you want to replace it with a high flow eSense sensor, you just put this pigtail right here and it plugs right into the Continental sensor. So
that is so cool.
You have no problem with plumbing this in and getting it hooked up.
Very cool stuff. All right. Advanced Fuel Dynamics is the only place you're going to find this, correct?
Correct.
This is a patented item.
Yes, this is our flex fuel sensor. It's made in America. We're right in Texas.
Very nice. If you need this, this is a place to get it. Where can everybody find you?
AdvancedFuelDynamics.com.
AdvancedFuelDynamics.com, and we'll see you on the AutoBuilder.